Hello students, today I will explain some common cooking methods that you will use in the kitchen. Understanding these methods is very important because each method affects the taste, texture, and appearance of food. Let's start with boiling. Boiling is cooking food in hot water. It is usually used for vegetables, pasta, rice, and eggs. Boiling is fast and simple, but you should not cook food for too long because it can lose some nutrients. For example, if you boil spinach for 10 minutes, it may lose its vitamins. Next is frying. Frying uses hot oil to cook food. There are two types of frying: shallow frying and deep frying. Shallow frying uses a small amount of oil, while deep frying uses enough oil to cover the food. Fried food is usually crispy and tasty, but it is less healthy because of the oil. Common fried foods include chicken, fish, and potatoes. Grilling is cooking food over direct heat, usually on a grill or barbecue. Grilled food has a smoky flavor and nice marks on the surface. It is considered healthier because fat drips away while cooking. Grilling is often used for meat, fish, and vegetables. Steaming is a gentle method. Food is placed above boiling water and cooked with steam. Steaming helps keep the color, taste, and nutrients of food. Vegetables, fish, and dumplings are commonly steamed. Steaming is very healthy because it uses no oil. Another method is baking. Baking uses dry heat in an oven. It is often used for bread, cakes, pastries, and sometimes meat and vegetables. Baking cooks food evenly and creates a golden surface. Finally, roasting is similar to baking but usually uses higher heat. Roasting is great for large pieces of meat and vegetables. It makes the surface brown and crispy while keeping the inside juicy. Roasting is popular in professional kitchens for dinners and special dishes. Remember, choosing the correct cooking method depends on the ingredient and the result you want. By understanding cooking methods, you can prepare food that looks good, tastes great, and keeps its nutrients. Practicing these methods will make you a better cook and help you work efficiently in a professional kitchen.